Fighter 6. Fighting round.
I've been a failure, I've been a success. I'm like a diamond, I shine under pressure. But life's been trying me, I learned all my lessons. I realize I gotta kill all my blessings. I'm working hard every day to be a better man. If practice makes perfect, then I'm already a veteran. I suffer from defeat, so success is my medicine. Destined for greatness, so you know that I'm back again. Back on my feet after I fell down. Always ready for a fight, never back down. At this point, I'm fighting for pride, I'm fighting for life. Reputation on the line, so I'm fighting for mine. You ain't gotta really like me, but you must respect me. I'm saying. If they ever try to check me, ain't gonna let them wreck me.
I'll show you the power of my kung fu.
Gotta remind myself where I came from and represent. The struggle made the realest man you ever met.
My name is Chun Li. As an Interpol agent, I spent many years in pursuit of the leader of the Shadaloo Syndicate, a man named M. Bison. But thanks to the assistance of numerous great martial artists, Shadaloo was destroyed, and M. Bison was defeated for good. For now, I'm on a sabbatical from work. I've been spending my time teaching Kung Fu in the city. Sabbatical or not, a martial artist is always on active duty. I mustn't neglect my daily training.
USA.
Ready? Then show me.
Time for a beatdown. Round 1. Fight.
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round 2. Fight. Chun-Li wins! Kenya.
Ready? Then show me. I'm ready to go.
Round 1. Fight. Chun-Li wins! Thailand.
Ready? Then show me.
Show me your strength. Round one. Fight!
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round two. Fight! Chun-Li wins! USA. Make it a scrap heap! Fight!
Spinning bird kick! Pick it up! One more! Lightning kick! Headshot kick! Lightning kick! Lightning kick! Pick it up! Go time! One more!
USA.
Ready? Then show me.
Don't expect me to be a pushover.
Round one. Fight!
Hadouken! Tatsumaki!
Spinning bird kick!
Round two. Fight!
Lightning kick! Coming in hot! Lightning kick! Spinning bird
That's right!
Fight! Round! Fight!
Coming in hot!
Ready? Then show me.
Round one. Fight. Round two. Fight.
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Fight. Round. Fight. Chun-Li wins! Brazil.
Ready? Then show me.
Showtime! Round one. Fight!
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round two. Fight!
Lightning kick!
Chun-Li wins! United Kingdom.
Ready? Then show me. Let's rock.
Round one. Fight!
Yeah! understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round 2. Fight! Chun-Li wins! USA. Parry the ball! Fight! 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. India.
Ready? Then show me.
Prepare yourself.
Round 1. Fight!
Yo, fire! You come, you the flame. You come. Yo. Yo, fire! You come. Yo. Take this. You go.
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round 2. Fight!
You come.
Spinning bird kick!
You come. You come.
Chun-Li wins! United Kingdom.
Ready? Then show me.
No mercy for you.
Round 1. Fight!
You're in my way. Spiral arrow!
Round one. Fight.
Too bad.
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round two. Fight.
Viral arrow! Viral arrow! Cannon strike! Too bad.
KO. Chun-Li wins. Italy.
Ready? Then show me.
Give me your best shot!
Round one. Fight.
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round two. Fight.
Where are you going? Sweet dreams!
Lightning kicks.
Chun-Li wins. China.
How about you stop sneaking around? Show yourself, Juri Han.
Well, look at that. I heard rumors you'd retired, but I guess your senses are still working at least.
Did you honestly think you would go unnoticed? Stealth has never been your specialty.
Don't I know it? How about we do something a little more my speed, then? Oh, hell yeah! That's the stuff! I was worried you'd be losing your touch!
Your concern is touching. Well, are we done here?
Damn, what's your rush? Just thought I'd give you a little warning is all. If you think now the big bad's dead, this whole thing's over, think again.
What exactly do you mean?
If you really want to know, you're gonna have to beat it out of me!
Ready? Then show me.
Time to play.
Round one. Fight.
Let's see if little Miss...
I have more than enough for you. Kick it up! One more! Lightning kicks! Lightning kicks!
Cody wins! Nine!
I can still fight! Ready? Then show me.
Round one. Fight!
Let's see if Little Miss...
I have more than
Here we go!
Now you understand. Don't underestimate me.
Round two. Fight!
So bad. I think it's bad.
And I win. But
Chun-Li wins!
I didn't manage to get any more info out of Judy. Even after Bison's death, if there's any chance of something still lurking in the shadows, I have no choice but to uncover the truth. I guess I really am a workaholic.